How to verify your identity on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Binance. So in order to verify your identity on Binance, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then, to verify your identity on Binance, first of all check your internet connection and log in into your Binance account. Once logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Over here you'll need to go ahead and select your profile icon located in the top left hand side corner. As soon as you do that, here go ahead and select action required, and after that it's going to direct you to the verification page. So then, to begin with the verification process, all you have to do is just provide in some of your personal details, your contact information and all sort of information. So then, to begin with, click the continue button located right at the bottom. Now go ahead and select your residence. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have selected accordingly. So basically, once you've done that, now you'll need to complete with these steps. So first of all, you need to go ahead and enter in your personal information, your government issued ID, and then the liveness check. So go ahead and select the continue button located right at the bottom, provide in the legal first name that's on your ID as well, and click the continue button located right at the bottom. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to select your nationality. Once done, click the continue button. Now in order to verify each, provide in your date of birth. After that, enter in your residential address according to your ID and click the continue button. Enter in the postal code of the particular resident and click the continue button located right at the bottom. So in order to verify your document, you either have to provide in among the following list. Either it could be your passport, ID, driving license. I'm going to go with the passport, so click the continue button. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to be instructed on how you actually have to take a picture. So go through all and click the continue button. Now you'll be provided with two different options, that is either to take a picture with your phone or to upload the existing photo. I'm going to go with upload an existing photo. Click the continue button. In order to upload a photo, click the plus icon. After that, you'll be able to access the photos that's stored on your gallery. So go ahead and select choose from album located right at the bottom and make sure to enable all of the permission. After you're done uploading it, click on continue without retaking the photo and click the continue button. As you can see that the document has been uploaded. Now you need to click the continue button in order to proceed on to the next step. Now the liveness check means now you have to do a face verification. So for that, all you have to do is just tap the continue button. Right over here you need to go ahead and verify your face. So for that, you need to take off your glasses, hat, or anything, any prop that you're using, if you're using any prop, and make sure that your face is well lit as well. After you've done with this procedure, click the continue button, make sure to verify your face, and as soon as you're done verifying your face, you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully verified your identity on Binance. But if the information seems to be invalid, then you'll have to make some changes. Only then you can verify your Binance account. So in that way, you can verify your identity on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.